Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss that how you can uninstall or delete any app in your PC. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to go to the control panel. You can open the control panel from here as well. If you don't have the control panel icon, you can click on the window button and you can search for the control panel. As you can see, has the control panel. Now you have to click on this. We are going to click on this. So as you can see, after opening the control panel, you will see the options like this: has a system and security, and these all are divided into categories like check and region access, hardware, sound, all the properties and all the controls are provided here. Now what you have to do, you have to go to the programs option. As you can see, here's another option which is called uninstall a program. So I'm going to click on the uninstall a program. We have to click on this. After that, as you can see, you will be able to see the all installed software on your PCs are provided here. If you want to uninstall any software, you just need to select that and you have to hit the uninstall. So for example, I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to uninstall the VLC media player, and I'm going to click on, and as you can see, it will take few seconds or few minutes. Now I'm going to click on the next, and as you can see, it's uninstalling and now it's done. So in this way you can uninstall any software or app on your PC. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can uninstall these. So see you guys in the next video.